Google has made significant technological progress with the release of the Google Pixel smartphones. The Google Pixel 7 Pro has been receiving a lot of attention recently due to its stylish design and, more importantly, its excellent user interfaces, which includes a Google Assistant. You should consider purchasing this phone because it is a cool piece of technology, and its camera is absolutely incredible, which is a nice bonus. And in this video, we're going to be talking about the phone in greater detail. So let's go ahead and take it easy on hyperbole for a moment. But before I go into the details of that, I'd appreciate it if you give this video a thumbs up and enable notifications, subscribing to this channel so that you don't miss a video moving forward. Now let's dive right in. Part 1. The Pixel 7 Pro Review. I sincerely hope that I have not oversold the Google Pixel 7 Pro, but the fact is that the phone deserves all of the acclaim that it has been showered upon with. The Pixel 7 Pro is large compared to other smartphones on the market. However, the Pixel 7 Pro is noticeably larger than its brother, the Google Pixel 7. The Google Pixel 7 Pro weight tips the scales at 212 grams. There are slight distinctions between the Pro version and the standard version. The frame of the Pro is made of highly polished aluminum, while the frame of the vanilla is matte. Since we are conflicted between the two strategies, arriving at a conclusion is mostly a matter of personal preference. The larger phone will, of course, come with a screen that is also larger, but this year the difference is much more pronounced. The Pixel 7 Pro is identical to its predecessor in that it has a diagonal of 6.7 inches. However, the Pixel 7 has been shrunk to a diagonal measuring 6.3 inches. Additionally, the screen on the Pro is superior and refreshes at a faster rate, and the battery capacity is increased by 645 milliamp hours. Now, the most notable feature of the Google Pixel 7 Pro is undoubtedly its upgraded camera. However, the ultra-wide scope can focus and is significantly wider than the 5x periscope's field of view. My evaluation of the Google Pixel 7 Pro has gotten underway, but just like with any worthwhile endeavor, and it will take some time to know the phone better, of course. Now, part 2. Use the phone manager from Dr. Fone to move all data to the new Pixel 7 Pro. Now, Dr. Fone Phone Manager is an outstanding application that expertly handles the information stored on your mobile device. This Dr. Fone Phone Manager for Android software allows you to transfer data between your Google Pixel and your personal computer. What I personally love about using Dr. Fone to carry out a task like this is that it has a user-friendly interface that makes it simpler to transfer your Google Pixel's photos, albums, music, videos, playlists, contacts, and messages, as well as the apps that are installed on your phone. It is software that can transfer and manage files on the Google Pixel. Still, it is also compatible with various other phone manufacturers, including iPhones, Samsung devices, Nexus, Sony, HTC, and many more. I will show you the steps necessary to get started moving data from your Google Pixel 7 Pro to your computer using a phone manager. So first things first, start by downloading and installing Dr. Fone on your computer, and then launch the software in your computer. Then use a USB cable to connect your Google Pixel phone to your computer. For a successful connection, you need to make sure that USB debugging is enabled on your phone, and instructions are going to show up for you on screen usually. As soon as your phone is recognized, it will appear on the software's user interface, and when you are there, go ahead and select Phone Manager from the menu that appears in the window. And then when you do arrive at the following window, go ahead and select the Phone Backup tab to proceed. You will see the many data categories on the left-hand side of the screen. Choose the information that you would like to move from your Google Pixel to your personal computer. And here, you're able to transfer all of that data files from Google Pixel to your personal computer. Then navigate to the Add icon on your PC's menu bar, and then select either the Add File or the Add Folder option, and then choose the files or folders that you want to add, and then do so on your Google Pixel. And to select the several files, you can either press and hold the Shift key or the Control key. Part 3. Use WhatsApp Transfer from Dr. Fone to transfer WhatsApp data. Suppose that you're considering purchasing a new Google Pixel 7 Pro for yourself. In that case, you may find yourself to be a little bit skeptical about what will happen to your WhatsApp data, and that is something that I can empathize with. But in all seriousness, In this day and age, you shouldn't be worried about losing your WhatsApp data because there is a solution that is 100% reliable. So Dr. Fone WhatsApp transfer function is the only viable answer to that question. So it is going to be a specialized tool for moving WhatsApp messages from one device to another to make sure that you do have a successful transfer. I will demonstrate some easy actions that you need to take in order to transfer WhatsApp messages using the Dr. Fone software. Step 1 is going to be that you're going to need to connect both your old phone and your new phone to the computer before installing and running Dr. Fone on your computer. To transfer WhatsApp messages, pick WhatsApp transfer from the main screen, then WhatsApp, and finally transfer WhatsApp messages. When both the old and new phones have been successfully detected, a new page will be presented on your screen. So to move the messages from one WhatsApp account to another, go ahead and click on the transfer button. And at this point, your old phone's WhatsApp messages are being copied over to your new phone so that you won't lose them. You will not be able to read the WhatsApp messages on your new phone until you have waited until the transfer from WhatsApp has been fully completed. And that brings us to the very end of today's video. I strongly advise you to use Dr. Fone for any data transfer or backup related difficulties. So Dr. Fone is a capable Android and iPhone manager. Now the switch and move capabilities on your Google Pixel allow you to transfer various data types to a computer or other phones. It can simply transfer files with a single click. And simply download this fantastic program when you need to move data easily or manage files on your Google Pixel 7 Pro. It is compatible with both Mac and Windows operating systems as well. Also, please share your thoughts in the comment section about what you think about the Dr. Fone software. And if you haven't, please like and subscribe to this channel. And I hope to see you in the next video. Have a good one.